Chapter 4 Formatting Data in MS Excel. You have already learnt the elementary concepts of MS Excel 2007 in previous class. Let us learn how to make an Excel sheet more presentable and attractive. To perform such operations, formatting is applied in Excel in the same way you had used in Microsoft Word 2007. Before learning the basics of formatting or editing, let us learn how to select a cell or a group of cells upon which formatting is to be performed. Selecting multiple cells. The currently selected cell is called an active cell, shown by a thick border as shown in figure. It is the place where editing can be performed. To make a cell active, use the mouse pointer to click on it. To select a range of cells. It is also possible to select a group of adjacent cells. A group of adjacent cells is called a cell range. Steps to select a range of cells are as follows. Select the first cell in the range which you want to select. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it right, up or down to the last cell you want to select. Release the mouse button. The cells get selected and are shown as shaded. Alternately, for selecting a cell range, you may click on the first cell in the range and hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and select the last cell of the range to select the entire range. To select all cells in a column or row, click the gray column heading to select the entire column. Click and drag the cursor across other column headings to select multiple columns. Click the gray row heading to select the entire row. Click and drag the cursor down through the row headings to select multiple rows. To select the entire worksheet, click the gray rectangle in the upper left corner to select the entire worksheet. Clipboard Group of Home tab. We all have learnt basic commands present under the clipboard group while using MS Word and PowerPoint. They have same functions as we studied earlier, so let us quickly revise them. Command name, command, description, cut. It is used to cut the selected text from the worksheet and temporarily store it in the clipboard. Copy. It is used to copy the selected text from the worksheet and temporarily store it in the clipboard. Paste. This command is used to paste the text or content anywhere in the worksheet which was copied onto the clipboard by using cut and copy command. Format Painter. This command is used to copy the formatting which you have applied to the text and apply same formatting to another text. Cut or copy and paste cell contents. Select a cell or group of cells to be copied or cut. Click on the Copy button on the Clipboard group of the Home tab. Alternately, you may use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Or, click on the Cut button on the Clipboard group of the Home tab. Alternately, you may use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X. The border of the copied or cut cell takes on the appearance of marching ants. Click on the cell where you want to place the copied or cut information and click on the Paste button. Your information is pasted to the new location. Alternately, you may press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Number Group of Home tab. Number group provides user with the commands which help the user to change the format of the number written in a cell from general number format to any other format such as currency, percentage, date and time, etc. Command name. Picture of the command. Application of the command. Number format. It is used to display the layout of the numbers present in a cell. Accounting number format. It adds the dollar to a selected number. Comma style button. It helps us to separate the thousand with a comma. Percent style. It displays the number as a percentage. Increase and decrease decimal number. It helps us to show more or less precise number at decimal places. Steps to format numbers. Select the cell or cells where you want to format the number style in a cell. Left-click the drop-down arrow next to the number format box. Select one of the points for formatting numbers. You will see that the selected format gets applied to the cells. Cells group of Home tab. This group helps us insert, delete and format the cells, rows and columns. Command name. Picture of the command. Application of the command. Insert. This command is used to insert cells, rows and columns into the sheet. Delete. This command is used to delete cells, rows and columns into the sheet. Format. This command is used to format cells, rows and columns into the sheet. It also helps in protecting the sheet by feature of hide or unhide the data or cells. Inserting rows and columns. To insert additional row and column in a worksheet while working, follow the given steps. Select the appropriate row or column where you would like to add a new row or a column. Click the Insert command present on the Home tab of Cells group. The column or row as selected by the user will appear. Deleting a row and column. To delete row or column, follow the given steps. Select the row or column you would like to delete. Click the Delete command under the Cells group in the Home tab. Formatting the worksheet. Once you have entered the data and have edited the worksheet as per your need, it is time to change the layout of the sheet by changing the font color, size and applying borders, etc. Font group of Home tab. Command name. Picture of the command. Application of the command. Font style. It is used to change the writing style of the text from the given list. Font size. It is used by the user to change the font size of the data by selecting from the predefined list. Grow and shrink font size. It is used to increase and decrease the font size of the text. Bold, italic and underline. It is used to make the selected text look thicker and darker, bold, titled, italic and underlined. Border. This command is used to provide border around the data present in a cell. Text highlight color and font color. Text highlight command is used to highlight the selected data with the color of your choice from predefined list, whereas the font color is used to change the color of your data. To format the text using font size, style, color and text highlight color. To apply the commands such as font color, size, style and text highlight, follow the steps given below. Select the cell to which you want to apply the formatting. Select and click the command you want to apply directly from the font group commands. Choose the preferred font size, style, color, etc. and apply to your selected text from drop-down menu of various commands. You will see the selected format gets applied to the selected cell. To format the text using commands bold, italic, underline and grow and shrink font size. Bold, italic, underline and increase and decrease indent follow the steps given below. Left-click a cell to select it. Drag your cursor over the text in the formula bar to select it. Click the commands you wish to apply such as bold, italics, underline or increase and decrease indent command. You will see that the selected format gets applied to the selected cell. To add border to the selected text, select the cells you want to format. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders command on the Home tab. A menu will appear with border options. Click an option from the list to apply it. Alignment Group of Home tab. Alignment Group is present on Home tab of MS Excel. Excel by default aligns the least to left side labels and number to right side values, which makes it easy for the user to read the data. Below given are the different alignment group commands. Command name. Picture of the command. Application of the command. Alignment tabs. These 6 tabs help us to move the data present in a cell either on top, middle and bottom or left, center and right position. Orientation. To rotate the text at an angle as per the given option. Increase and decrease indent. It helps us to set the data within the paragraph at different margins. Wrap text. Makes all content visible within a cell by displaying on multiple lines. Merge and center. It joins the selected text into one cell and centers the content to the center. To align text or numbers in a cell, select a cell or range of cells. Click on Align Left, Center or Align Right commands on the Home tab. The text or numbers in the cell take on the selected alignment as provided. Left-click a column label to select an entire column or a row label to select an entire row. To change vertical alignment from the alignment group, select a cell or range of cells. Click the Top Align, Center or Bottom Align command. Changing text control using Wrap Text and Merge and Center commands. Text control allows you to control the way Excel 2007 presents information in a cell. There are 2 common types of text control, Wrap Text and Merge Cells. Wrap text wraps the contents of a cell across several lines if it's too large than the column width. It increases the height of the cell as well, whereas merge cells can also be applied by using the Merge and Center button on the Home tab. To change text control, select a cell or range of cells. Select the Home tab. Click the Wrap Text command or the Merge Center command. In above example, data is exceeding from one cell to another one. To set the data in one cell, we use Wrap Text command. Now, the data is set in one cell only. In Wrap Text, data is set in one cell, but in above example, we merged the cells into single cell. Cell style. It is possible to apply several formats in one go, thus ensuring the cells have consistent formatting. This is done using cell style. A cell style is a defined set of formatting characteristics such as fonts and font sizes, number formats, cell borders and cell shading. Using cell style. Select the cell range that you want to format. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click Cell Styles. Click on the cell style that you want to apply from the set of predefined cell styles. Remove a cell style. To remove a cell style from selected cells without deleting the cell style, select the cells that are formatted with that cell style. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click Cell Styles. From the predefined style lists, click on Normal. Naming worksheets. You have already seen that the worksheets by default are named as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, etc. These are not very informative names and do not tell you much about the content of the worksheet. Excel allows you to define a meaningful name for each worksheet in a workbook, marksheet, accounts, so you can quickly locate information. To name or rename a worksheet, steps are given below. Double-click the Sheet tab or right-click of the mouse button and click Rename from the pop-up menu to select it. Double-click on the Sheet tab. Right-click and select Rename from the pop-up menu. Type a new name for the worksheet. Press the Enter key. The worksheet now assumes the descriptive name defined. Inserting worksheets. In Excel, by default there are 3 worksheets named Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. It is possible to insert new worksheets and if needed, delete others you no longer need. Click on the Insert Worksheet tab on the extreme right of the Sheet tabs. Alternately, you may use the quick key combination Shift plus F11. Insert Worksheet tab. New worksheet. Deleting worksheets. To remove a worksheet, right-click on the Sheet tab which you want to delete and click on the Delete option on the shortcut menu. Right-click and choose Delete from the pop-up menu. Quick review. Formatting is the process of changing the layout of the data in a worksheet. You may click on a cell to select it or activate it. For selecting multiple cell range, you need to click and drag on the required number of adjacent cells. To select an entire row, click on the row heading, and to select an entire column, click on the column heading. To select an entire worksheet, press Ctrl plus A. To copy or cut the content of a cell or cell range, use Ctrl plus C and it can be pasted anywhere using Ctrl plus V. The cut option removes the original content while copy retains the original content. You can change the font, size and color as well as make it bold, italics or underlined from the fonts group in the Home tab. Alignment of data in a cell may be horizontal, left, right or centered, or vertical, top, middle or bottom. You can wrap text in a cell to display the contents in multiple lines. A cell style is a defined set of formatting characteristics such as font and font sizes, number formats, cell borders and cell shading. Double-click on a Sheet tab to change the name of a sheet. To insert a new worksheet, click on Insert Worksheet tab or press the shortcut keys Shift plus F11.